Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit name in Facebook. Let's get started. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Head over right here to your three lines. Click right here on your gear icon. And then from in there, you can see your Meta Account Center. Head over and then just click that. And then from in there, you can see in here your profiles. Click on your profiles. And then from in there, you should be able to see this right here. Click on your Facebook or your Instagram right here. Just click on your Facebook and then click in here on your name. You can see in here your Facebook in here as well, and you can also sync your profile info with your Facebook and Instagram. Click on your name, and then you can see in here your name, your first name, and your last name. You can change in here your name. You can also change the order of it if you want to as well. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.